Hey woodworker tool nuts, I have a tool deal that just came across my desk for nail guns. I need to pass it on to you. First off, real quick, I'm over 70,000 subscribers. I greatly appreciate it. I'd love to build this community to 100,000 subscribers this year. The deal, it just came across my desk. I have no relationship with Big Sky, but they are where I buy all of my nail guns. I buy them all used and I buy only Hitachi. I like Hitachi. They've been a great gun for me. These are a fantastic price to begin with. Okay, they're reconditioned. They have a grade A, which if you buy grade A from them, you can't tell the difference in that and a new. And they come with a full factory warranty because these guys were the refurb people for Hitachi. And the grade C's, I bought a couple of those as well. They work like new, they just are banged up. I don't have a problem with that. So if you take a look here, this is a gun that I have a couple of, 2-inch 18 gauge brad nailer, C grade, 31 bucks. You pay shipping on top of that, but you know, just incredible. I remember back when I first started going into nail guns. I was already doing finished carpentry, but I had to start adding nail guns. More and more carpenters were using them, and we would buy our guns. The crew that I was on, we'd buy our guns from this guy that came by in a truck selling tools, you know, a rep from Cinco. And, you know, I was dropping $300 to $500 per gun. It was a big deal. I'd plan, and of course we didn't have big 18 gauge then. We were, you know, long nails. So we were using a different nail gun. But now you can get 23 gauge. They have this 1 3/8" 23 gauge pinner. One of my favorite sizes of nails. I have this gun. It works fantastic. I like Hitachi to make a 2-inch one. They don't yet. I need to replace my very expensive, almost $400, $350 2-inch 23 gauge, big time, high grade brand. And it since the day I got it, it's a double. I've shown you this in another video. Anyway, I need to replace that, and right now I'm thinking I'm gonna have to go with Cinco. Not what this video is about, but I just wanted to say that, you know, I have this one. It's great. You know, any of the Hitachi nailers and the staplers. Again, if you see my videos, you see that's what I use. You still can't. I mean, batteries or guns are. I've even got a couple of Hitachi battery guns, which I'll show you, that I got from these guys, and I got refurbed as well. I got a great deal. I like them, but I'm still a pneumatic guy. I got my air hose out. I've got too many guns, all the different sizes of nails that are not available in battery. Plus the battery guns, even the little 18 gauge and stuff, they're clunky compared to, you know. These are nimble, you can get into spots, and with these really thin, flexible air hoses, they are still the #1 way to go for a pro. A battery gun is really good for that pickup work, or if you're hanging doors, a couple things where the hose might get in your way. Pneumatics are still the way to go. And so at these kind of prices, whether you're a do-it-yourself at home, working in your shop, or whether you're a pro, this is a really great option. So again, I have nothing to do with these guys. They aren't going to compensate me if you buy a nail gun. I just wanted to pass it on to you. Now, if you want me to keep making these videos, telling you when I see these deals, doing tool reviews, be sure to subscribe. And when you subscribe, ring the bell. That will let you know when I drop a new video right away, which would be important for these time-stamped ones. This deal is good through the weekend. So it's a flash sale. So you got two days and 14 hours. Thanks a lot for taking the time to watch, and go out there and get a great deal on a nail gun.